Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to set default page sizes B5 in Word. So how to change this or how to set this size in MS Word. So I will show you an easy and a quick method. So firstly need to click on layout and click on size. And here you see this more paper size, so click on it and paper size and click on this drop down and select this B4 and click on set as default. Click on yes. So you see this will be set as default B4 paper size. You see this changes. Again I will show you. First click on layout, size, just click on it and this last option, more paper size. Simply one click on it and here need to set this. Click on this drop down and set B4 and click on set as default. Click on yes. So this way you can very easily set default page size in MS Word. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful and interesting videos.